up, YouTube? Today I'm bringing to you Cordless Senior Limited Edition. Been waiting a long time for this. It's limited edition, lithium ion, made in the USA. It says it's great for blends, ideal for bulk hair removal, and ideal for clipper over comb work. So 0 gap out of the box, cordless up to 70 minutes. Let's open it up. It's a lot heavier than the Magic Clip. It's also metal casing, aluminum. So it's got the SCD. Looks a little like the crunch blade you see on the Wahl Legend. Turn it on. I already charged mine up. Magic Clip. Maybe vibrates a little more. Super clean. It's got a little indent here. Feels a little bit thinner too. Just comes with the regular charger. I think it's the same as the Magic Clip charger. The 1.5 and half guard, a Wahl Cordless white, I'm gonna get back to you guys with a haircut using this clipper. So I'll give you my full review on it next time. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.